Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Spotify not showing on your Discord status. Let's get started. So, for that, first of all, open up your browser. In the search bar, search for discord.com and then log in to your account. Once logged in, simply tap on the settings icon that says user settings. Tap onto it. And just like that, scroll below, then tap on connections right over here. After that, simply click on Spotify. And then make sure you log in into your Spotify and then reconnect your Spotify account. Now after you reconnect your Spotify, you need to go ahead and simply make sure these two buttons that says display on profile and display Spotify as your status is toggled on. Both switches must be enabled. If it still does not show up, make sure your Discord status is set to online. Simply click on your profile icon, then click on idle and make sure it is set to online. Now test Spotify again. If it's still not working, you need to simply right-click on your Start menu, then simply tap on Settings. In Start Settings, all you have to do is simply click on Network and Internet, scroll below and then tap on VPN. And make sure you're not connected to any VPN. VPN can block Discord activity detection, so make sure it is turned off. If nothing works, you can simply uninstall Discord if you're using the app and then reinstall the application. Once Discord is reinstalled, open it up, sign in again, and Spotify should appear now. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.